Hello.
Welcome back to Englinity. My name is Alex, and I'm very happy you are here today. This is day 3 of our 30-day English challenge. On day 1, we learned how to introduce ourselves. On day 2, we learned how to say hello and how to make small talk. Today, we will learn how to ask simple questions in English. Asking questions helps you talk, helps you understand people, and helps you feel confident. Don't worry, we will go very slowly. Take a breath. Relax your shoulders. You are doing great. If you enjoy learning English, slowly and clearly, please like this video and subscribe to Englinity. Now, let's begin together. Now, let me tell you a small story. Imagine you are in a new place, maybe a class, maybe a park, maybe a bus stop. You see someone standing near you. Inside your mind, you think, I want to talk. But what question can I ask? A very simple question is, what is your name? Let's say it very slowly together. What is your name? Good. Again, what is your name? This question is polite. This question is easy. This question is very common. Now, imagine the person answers, my name is Sarah. Inside your mind, you feel happy. You think, I understand. I asked a question. That feeling is good. Mini practice, slow. I say it first. Then you repeat. What is your name? Pause. My name is Alex. Pause. Again. What is your name? Pause. My name is Alex. Pause. You are doing well. Slow questions create strong conversations. Now, you already asked a question. You said, what is your name? The conversation feels easy. Inside your mind, you think, okay, I can ask one more question. Something simple. A very common question is, where are you from? Let's say it slowly, together. Where are you from? Good. Again, where are you from? This question helps you learn about the other person. Now, imagine the answer. The person says, I am from Pakistan. Let's say it slowly. I am from Pakistan. Good. You can also say, I am from India. I am from Turkey. I am from Egypt. Inside your mind, you think, I understand. I can answer. That feeling is confidence. Mini conversation practice. Listen first, then repeat. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Pause. Again. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Pause. Slow practice. Key phrases. Where are you from? Pause. I am from... Pause. You don't need fast English. Slow English works best. Now, you know the person's name. You know where they are from. The conversation feels comfortable. Inside your mind, you think, I want to know more, but I want to be polite. A simple question is, how old are you? Let's say it slowly, together. How old are you? Good. Again. How old are you? This question is common. But remember, sometimes people do not want to answer. That is okay. Now, imagine the answer. The person says, I am 20 years old. Let's say it slowly. I am 20 years old. Good. You can change the number. I am 18 years old.
I am 25 years old.
Inside your mind, you think, I am speaking. I am learning. Mini practice, slow. How old are you? Pause. I'm 20 years old. Pause. Again. How old are you? Pause. I'm 20 years old. Pause. Speaking slowly helps your brain. Remember. Now, let's learn a few more simple questions. These questions are short. They are easy. You can use them every day. Question 1. Are you a student? Let's say it slowly, together. Are you a student? Good. Possible answers. Yes, I am. Or, no, I'm not. Say it slowly. Yes, I am. Pause. No, I am not. Pause. Question 2. Do you work? Slowly. Do you work? Good. Answers. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Say it slowly. Yes, I do. Pause. No, I don't. Pause. Question 3. Do you like English? Slowly. Do you like English? Answers. Yes, I do. Or, Yes, a little. Say it slowly. Yes, I do. Pause. Yes, a little. Pause. Mini self-talk practice. Alex thinks. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? Are you a student? Try saying them slowly. Pause. Now, it is your turn again. Take a breath. Relax. Speak slowly. I will ask you simple questions. You can answer out loud or in the comments. Question 1. What is your name? You can say, my name is Alex, or my name is Bjorn. Say it now. Pause. Good. Question 2. Where are you from? You can say, I am from Pakistan, or I am from Nigeria. Say it slowly. Pause. Very good. Question 3. How old are you? You can say, I am 20 years old, or I am 8 years old. Say it now. Pause. Excellent. Question 4. Are you a student? You can say, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Say it slowly. Pause. Self-talk practice. Now, talk to yourself. Alex thinks. What is your name? My name is Alex. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Try it slowly. Pause. Speaking out loud is the best practice. You are doing great. Now, let's stop for a moment. Take a breath. Today, you learned how to ask simple questions in English. Let's review everything slowly. Recap. Key questions. Slow repetition. What is your name? Pause. Where are you from? Pause. How old are you? Pause. Are you a student? Pause. Do you work? Pause. Do you like English? Pause. Very good. Inside your mind, say this. I can ask questions. I am improving. That feeling is confidence. Daily practice advice. Practice every day. Ask one question. Answer one question. Slow English is strong English. Mistakes are okay. Learning takes time. A 30-day English challenge reminder. This is day 3 of our 30-day English challenge. If you stay with me day by day, your English will grow. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Englinity for more slow, beginner English lessons. Your support helps me continue this challenge with you. Tomorrow preview. Tomorrow, on day 4, we will learn how to talk about daily routine using simple English. Thank you for learning with me. This is Alex from Englinity. Speak slowly, practice daily, and believe in yourself. See you tomorrow. Bye.